Hello, my friends. Today I want to continue uh, doing pages from my coffee diary. And because yesterday I not finished that two pages, so I get that what we say, the morning is wiser than the evening. So I will continue to finish that two pages. Here on the picture says Old London Coffee House in Philadelphia. So I was thinking into the pocket I will do some nice photomat. So I take a piece of uh, paper where is coffee, and then I get from my leftover pieces from other albums, and I will glue that. And then on the other side I put some piece for photomat. Okay, so let's go to do it. It's very easy. It's nothing to do, just glue, but okay. I take the glue and just glue. Of course, for edges I use how I do usually ink, brown ink, and distress the edges, and then I get idea maybe little bit, teeny little bit, maybe more, put something interesting, some stamps on top of corner, so something like that to be nicer for a photo. Okay, and on here I first maybe glue that. It's a really thick coffee maker, so I put good one of glue, put that here like that, let it, and also that old coffee, because I think that really very nice cooperated with that old London coffee house in Philadelphia. So, and all I put this on that pocket a little bit because it's still not dry. So I think will very nice cooperate with that coffee house. And now I want to finish also this page. So I already cut strips with that scallop scissors, and I glue them like edge here. So I add glue here. don't know. Yes, here. Okay. A little bit more here. Okay, it's nice. Now I take it napkins and so it's here, and now I take it scissors and get off the edge. Okay, and now it's flap, so I need to be closed. So my idea is, because here is place for two photos, 9 by 13, like here and here. So I get idea to take magnet look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, and maybe I glue them inside the middle because we'll cover with photo, so I don't have to cover them with something. I just glue them like that. Glue the tiny magnets, not really easy, but I will try to do. Okay, so I take 1, 2 for beginning. Put on magnet. Sometimes it's possible to buy magnet with glue on, but I don't have something like that, so I have to do it like that. Then I put some pieces, stripe of pieces between them like that. Then I put the other magnet. Okay, it's 1. Second. Really. Okay. You don't want to be turn on other side, but I need you to other side. Like that. Then I put that paper and other magnet. Perfect. So now I put glue on top of that magnet, so 2 more squares, or what is it? Okay. And 2, because that pinset is also iron, so sometimes wants to go out. So now I take top of that double tape. Okay, play, Alana, play. Okay. So 1 is done. No, please. I said where? Okay, maybe here. 1. And from other one, take also top of here. I take also tap over that magnet one, and also here, and have the glue flap. Okay, we have flap for that. That's very good. So it's finished for that. It will be just video like that, and we have also possibility to put photo here and then put something here when we put photo there, but don't have to be. So maybe for next time I will do some holder for open. Okay, that's all for today. For now, I finished that and finished that. It looks nice. I am happy. So thank you very much to come to my video, and if you write me which page it's nicer, what you prefer, this one or that one. I think all company who did that beautiful coffee papers with coffee, I am very happy about them and I am thankful them. So because I am a coffee lover, and I really love coffee. So it's a very happiness for me to do that album. Again, thank you very much to visit my channel and see you on next video. Bye bye guys.